Alright, hello everyone, my name is InsenerKarl and today I will show you a cool, not very cool, but script for, for maximum of 12-year-old school kids, so they think they can hack something, so it's just this Python thing, so it asks you what you want to hack and you're like, oh, I don't know, I want to hack the DRV, I don't know, so you're just type it in and it starts hacking, very cool, right? Well, you will see what will happen soon. Holy crap, we actually hacked it in like
You've been trolled, you've been trolled, yes you've
song, but I hope it won't get me copyrighted, so I won't play it more. So cool, right? Well, we didn't get your files. Also, you can like I want to hack that actually. So yeah, it ain't anything special. So I will show you. I just want to open it. Fuck. So this is like it. Very simple. Just like that. So you will have to know what this is. I think you can guess it. But yeah, I will put the link in the description so you can put it in your school computer. Just go somewhere, send it there. Desktop, and yeah, you don't need to install anything because without all of these things I think you would need a Python shell, so yeah, not all computers have that. Also, I hope I will upload my new computer case unboxing today, which is like a month late. It arrived like somewhere here. The H710i, also there won't be no build log, which I mentioned there. So yeah, I hope I will upload it. So yeah, bye.